Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. Today's Victoria Day, so for us it's like a holiday. So the kids don't have school. So
Cameron doesn't. I'm still doing school.
because Cameron doesn't have like online classes today, I'm gonna help Sarah get caught up.
The teacher sent me this.
I'm gonna help Sarah get caught up on some of her work. She has an art project to do today where she has to create her own
Font.
She has to rewrite the alphabet with her own font that she has designed.
I'm using a calligraphy pen. I like using calligraphy. I like using them.
That's what she's doing. Oh, it's too early. I slept in, but I'm still tired.
Cameron was up before all of us.
Yeah, he's an early bird. He's always up so early.
Watch me do this? Okay. I've been like watching the whole time. Creepy. Spinach. And plants here. The spinach is growing. That's a spinach. Spinach. I think that's spinach, but those are weeds. Let's go. And
Okay, so we're going to do what I've been wanting to do.
we're on this
We're going to put plastic sheets on the fridge so that when the kids do their drawings, I can just hang them up really easily.
I did one all the way yesterday. Go Lucky. They're not in the kitchen.
So we're just going to use these plastic sheets to like to put in papers like in a binder. But we're going to tape them to the fridge so the kids do artwork. They can just slip them in, we can change them out, and yeah, decorate a fridge. So I got the tape. I'm just going to tape them up. Papers go right into here.
So date on it. To remember what day I made this.
this idea from Pinterest. I'm not that creative. Pinterest can really be a mom's best friend, like seriously. I mean, if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, I can link my Pinterest in the description, I think. Yeah.
Okay, cut this one. This is my favorite picture. And this one.
It has a fancy tape that I'm gonna like put over top of this so you won't see this, and I'll be like,
Look what I drawed. I drawed this. I think this one looks like me. I didn't. I think it will. I'm assuming this is me. I draw. I think this is the best person I ever made. And my other drawings, where did I put them? Not here. And this is when I made Mommy for Valentine's Day. I made this for Valentine's Day. I made this one just now. Made this one just now.
You gotta make sure you put them the right way.
And I made a funny one. I made a granny. Oh, this one won't fit in the thing. This one will. This is one.
I'll have to trim them, I guess.
I made this one, but it won't fit. Oh. Can you guys see it?
Lucky, I love you. Come on. Yes, Lucky. I know you want my attention, Lucky. Lucky Bug.
But my Easter photo can fit. This one's gonna fit. This one I did. It's like a pondish. Kim didn't have very many. You should start coloring some.
You should, yeah. He has some. I just need to find one. So this is our fridge.
I have one more photo.
You have another photo?
Yeah, this is so long ago. This is when we in 19 when we were on a roller coaster. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
We were on a roller coaster. I drew it.
So I hope you enjoyed our
Thing we put on the fridge.
our fridge decoration and our art gallery.
There's so many pictures.
Mm-hmm.
Why do we keep?
See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.